Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Developer. Once again, welcome back to our Jetpack Compose for Android TV series. I hope you all are doing great and learning something new with every video in this series. Lists are continuous vertical collections of text or images, and they are used everywhere in TV apps like menus, settings, and media lists. Depending on the content, list items can be of different types. One-line list item, two-line list item, three-line list item. So let's jump into the code and start building. We create a vertical list layout using Jetpack Compose. The outer column adds horizontal padding to keep the content centered and readable on large screens. Inside it, a lazy column is used to efficiently display a scrollable list, rendering only the visible items for better performance. The items 20 block generates 20 list items, and each item is built using ListItem, which follows material design for TV-style lists. Every list item includes a headline text, supporting text, and an overline header, along with a trailing icon on the right. Padding is applied to each item to maintain proper spacing, and custom colors and shape are used to give the list item a slightly elevated surface appearance. Overall, this setup is ideal for building clean, scalable, and TV-friendly list UIs in Jetpack Compose. This list item handles click events, calling its onClick lambda. It also supports selected state, which can be toggled using the selected param. So with this, we've completed the code part. Now let's run the app. Oh, as you can see, our list items are properly showing and focusing on the TV screen. Alright, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.